it's Rockstar look. This is my rock chick look, Rockstar look. I've always loved music since I was a kid, and music is my passion, guys. I'm actually working on something, so stay tuned for my music content. Music has always been a part of my life since I was a kid. I'm gonna upload them on YouTube for sure, so stay tuned for my music content, okay? So yeah, this is my Rockstar look. It's bold and it's a little bit gothic. It's bold, and you know, because you're gonna be on the stage, so you really need to shine on the stage. So yeah, this is my Rockstar look. Let me know what you guys think, okay? So yeah, guys, this is my Rockstar look. It's a little bit smoky on the eyes, and it's bold on the lips. So I'm wearing bold lipsticks for today, and it's really smoky on the eyes with winged eyeliner. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. I'm gonna start off priming my face with this Smashbox Primerizer. It's supposed to make your face really moisturized, guys. My skin has been really dried this last couple of days, so I just need to prime my face with this Smashbox Primerizer. It's one of the best moisturizing primers out there, guys. I'm gonna be using this Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. It's become one of my favorites, guys. It's become my holy grail, actually. One pump is enough for your face. I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as usual. It's just my holy grail, guys. I mean, I just can't find another concealer that works better than this. So a little bit to prime my eyelids. I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder on your T-zone, under eyes, around my mouth. Just on certain areas that tend to get really oily throughout the day, because you don't want to look oily on the stage. Let's move on with the eyes. I'm going to be taking the shade Naked as my transition. I'm going to be taking the shade Gunmetal along the crease. Blend out the edges. Take this Marc Jacobs eyeliner, kind of like draw a soft line here. And your upper waterline as well. Soft line, like a soft line, guys. Take this black shade Creep, kind of smoke it out a little bit. Blend out the edges again. Take that creep shade again and line it here. Take the Sidecar shimmer, pat it on your lid. Take this Stilla glitter in Diamond Dust. Take this the Schwing eyeliner from the Balm. I want to make a soft wing. This buck shade and the shade Gunmetal right on your lower lash line. Gonna prime my lashes with this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. Curl my lashes. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer as mascara. It's my new favorite, guys. I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Brow Wiz in soft brown. I'm gonna be using this Benefit 24-Hour Browsetter. To set the eyebrows. Let's move on with the face makeup. I'm gonna be using this Rhea bronzer from Causematics. I really love this bronzer, guys. I'm gonna be using this makeup blush in Wild Honey. I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Mercier Highliner because it's just one of the most gorgeous highlighters out there, guys. A little bit on my nose, in the corners. Robo. Part of my lip line a little bit. We're using the NYX lip liner. I'm going to be using this ColourPop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in Mess Around. It's a gorgeous, cool toned, taupey, dark brown kind of shade. Set your makeup with the Glam Glow Glow Setter. So refreshing. Actually, I'm just gonna add this ColourPop highlighter in Flexitarian. Yeah. For that Rockstar vibe. Okay guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is my Rockstar look. What do you guys think? Is there anything about this look that you'd like to change? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look and what products you love to use on your face for this Rockstar look. So yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye!